How do we find the value of x in this equation? So we have 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power 3x to be equals 10. So solution, we have 2 raised to power x plus, this guy can be written as 2 raised to power x to the power of 3 equals 10. Now let's suppose that we have p to be equals 2 raised to power s. This implies that p plus p cube equals 10. So you observe that we have a cubic equation, so it implies that we have p cube plus p minus 10 equals 0 when this guy comes to the left side, so it becomes negative. Now what next we are going to do is that try to rewrite p in terms of, so we have p cube plus 5p minus 4p minus 10 equals 0, because 5p minus 4p gives p. So in this case, this is 3. So we have, let us write it, we have p cube minus 4p plus 5p minus 10 equals 0. We just interchange this guy. So now let's factor p out from this guy. So we have p into p squared minus 4 bracket close plus, this is 5. We can factor it out from this guy. We have 5 into p minus 2, which is simply equals to 0. So you observe that p squared minus 4 can be written as p squared minus 4, simply a difference of 2 squared. So we have p minus 2 times p plus 2. So we are going to plug this value here. So we have p into p minus 2 times p plus 2 plus 5 into p minus 2, which is simply equals to 0. So you also observe that p minus 2 is common. So let's factor it out. We have p minus 2 into p plus 2, because p minus 2 times this guy gives this back this, so we have plus 5, because 5 times p minus 2 gives this guy back, which is simply equals to 0. So we have p minus 2 times, this is p times p, that's p squared, p times 2, we have 2p plus 5, which is simply equals to 0. Which also implies that p minus 2 equals 0, or p squared plus 2p plus 5 equals 0. Which also implies that p equals, as it comes to the right, becomes 2, or p squared plus 2p plus 5 equals 0. Now this guy is not easily factorizable, so we are going to use quadratic formula. So we have a to b equals 1, which is the coefficient of p squared, and b equals 2, coefficient of p, and our constant, which is c equals to 5. So we have p to b equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we have p equals, our b is 2, so we have minus 2 plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 4, minus 4 times 1 times 5, which is 4, so we have 20 over 2 into 1. But you observe that 4 minus 20 is simply minus 16, which gives a complex root. So we are going to ignore this guy. That is, this equation, we are going to ignore it. So we are going to consider p equals to 2. So now, when p equals 2, don't forget that 2 raised by x equals p. So we have 2 raised by x to be equals p. Okay, when 2 raised by x equals to p, so we just replace 2 here. So we have 2 raised by x equals 2, which can be written as 2 raised by x equals to 2 raised by 1. Since the base is the same, so we have x to be equals 1. So the value of s for this exponential equation is simply s equals 1. So that's it. Thanks for watching.